偏見。
It translates to prejudice or bias in English.
偏見是一種基於先入為主觀念，對特定個人或群體做出的不公正判斷。
Bias is a form of unfair judgment made against specific individuals or groups based on preconceived notions.
很多人認為富有家庭的孩子都是被寵壞的，其實這是一種偏見。
Many people think that children from wealthy families are all spoiled, but actually, this is a kind of bias.